What happens when learning becomes something learners actually want to be part of? Raising STEEM was a CAPS-aligned Grade 10 pilot in Hammersdale, using structured, game-based learning to build confidence in maths, science, and classroom English, alongside stronger engagement and understanding.
It also helped them to not become introverts, but rather even those who normally sit quiet in the classroom. But I saw them getting so excited to be hands-on with the game and engaging with those questions.
We started by listening to educators and learners about where maths and science was getting stuck. We built the learning into a soccer-themed game because it's familiar. Learners already understand the energy, the language, and the idea of a match. And we used a VAR zone, a quick pause in play where teams check the explanation, fix misconceptions, and lock in the concept before they continue. Sessions were supported by school educators and supported by our isiZulu-speaking coaches who could code switch when needed, so the rules and learning landed clearly. We tracked change from start to end using attendance, learner feedback, session reports, observation, and baseline and endline reflection. Results show measurable movement in engagement and learning confidence. To close the pilot, we hosted a tournament day, bringing the league format to life and giving learners a chance to play, compete, and show what they'd learned.
Here we are playing a game named Vazon, and my level of confidence has risen since you taught us, and we see that this game does propagate our critical thinking and helps us creatively think, and it makes maths and science a breeze. All these questions being asked, these MCQs asked, multiple choice questions asked, always give us a prior knowledge which helps us in mathematics and science, and our marks, I hope, will rise.
The pilot also gave us clear learning on what strengthens delivery inside schools, and we built those improvements into the toolkit and session approach. The model is replicable: structured materials, facilitator support, and simple monitoring that helps keep quality consistent across schools. This pilot demonstrated measurable engagement, improved learner confidence, and stronger understanding in the topics covered. And it produced practical learning on what works in our context.
This game is so interesting. It makes us understand easily, like we're learning angles, like through a game. This makes us feel good too. It's like we can ace mathematics. Any question that comes, mathematics.
Making the model more consistent and ready for wider rollout.
Yeah, I think it's good.